So the first thing we're going to do to provide translations in Transifex is we're going to go to our email. This is because we're going to get the emails of everybody who is doing translations, and we're going to invite them to the project where we have all of the words we need translated. So you can see here I'm in my inbox and I've found this email from Transifex. Click on it. You'll see this message saying that I've been invited to be a translator for the COTM form strings project. Right. So if I click accept, I can accept this invitation. And here I'm just going to create an account. So I am going to give myself a username and password. Just basic account setup stuff. And here for under languages that I speak, I'm just going to type out Somali because we're translating into Somali today. And maybe I'll add English as well since I'm translating from English. And when it sets me up, you can see that I'm a member of this team here, the COTM form string team. You can see the coordinator for this team, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and start adding translations, which will be in the next video.